How to uninstall everything on your PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can uninstall everything on our PC or computer. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you want to uninstall everything, you can do this by a manual process, such as the apps that you don't necessarily need, by simply going to control panel in the search bar over here. Then over here under programs, you can see uninstall a program, select that. And here you should be able to see different sort of applications that you might have installed. So assuming that there's a certain application that you might want to uninstall, you can select that particular app, click the uninstall button here and click the yes option in order to uninstall those applications. Now, let's say in another case scenario, you want to completely remove everything. Then in that case, the best way is to simply reset your computer. So you can open up the search bar here, just type in reset, and here you'll find reset this PC option. Select that reset this PC option here, and here you can see reset PC. Make sure to select that. Over here, you have to select the option called remove everything. This will uninstall everything on your PC, and then follow the on-screen instructions to reset your PC. This way, you should be able to uninstall everything on your PC. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.